Those Biafra who are sabotaging Biafra movement will be banned in Biafra and they will never come back in Biafra land again. Simon Ekpa. Don't be smart, you know. They say things are really happening. Simon Ekpa, don't go ahead, go talk say he said this one wey don't enter like this, so now fire to fire. Iron to iron and bomb to bomb. Don't be smart, you know. Hello my wonderful people, you are highly welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Don't forget, as we do ambo, may you share this video and make sure say you subscribe to this channel, and also make sure say you dey follow our page for more updates as they happen for that area. We'll go look into the story wey we get for hand today. The story wey we get for hand today now be the PM Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Republic government in exile, don come outside come talk say he said this one say the Nigeria army anywhere where they pass, like say they don't do fiam for road. He said that government na their government too. And he says come aside to do the needful, that he must make sure that no presence of a Nigeria government in Biafra territory anymore. No be sport, you know. He talks so many things for this video, which is I want you to watch. Calm down and watch this video from beginning to end. Then let's watch it together. We'll come back and talk more.
I want to make it very clear. War is a dirty game. But in as much as war is a dirty game, we must not take prisoners of our people who came to our land to deprive us our inheritance. We must fight them with vigor, including against those, especially those Biafrans, who have aligned with the enemies themselves to sabotage the freedom of Biafra people. Very important. I want to make it very clear this evening that those who align with the Nigeria government to undermine the legitimate interests of Biafra people, especially in the liberation phase of Biafra, we are not going to allow them to have peace within Biafra territory. Because they are aligning with the enemy who killed our people and commit genocide in our land. And what they do is to fight against our common interest. We should not and can never be remorseful. We are going to deal with them decisively by uprooting those individuals who, by the pen, approve the invasion of Biafra land and making it possible for the Nigeria terrorist security agencies to lay siege on Biafra soil. Regardless of their status, we don't engage later after Biafra has gotten its independence. The idea of the struggle, of the face of this struggle at this point, is to liberate Biafra holistically. Because if we don't do it now, it may undermine the development of Biafra when we go into the second phase of the civil war, with the internal civil war after Biafra independence. And we cannot allow that to happen. We have the potential to develop at the fastest rate more than any country in the world. These people must be driven out of Biafra land and never to set their foot on Biafra soil. In order to achieve this, the Biafra government in exile, the Biafra Liberation Army, and the Black Marine, we all decided to establish a striking force that is known as Biafra Resistance Fighters. The Biafra Resistance Fighters logo has been unveiled today, earlier today. These strike forces, only them can engage Nigeria Fulani forces, even in daylight, to prevent these Nigeria Fulani forces from committing the crimes and the actions we saw in Aba, in Umpo, in Enugu, in Asaba, in Iguacha, by Wike. It is going to be the responsibility of the striking force of Biafra called the Biafra Resistance Fighters to make sure that this atrocity against Biafra do not repeat again anywhere in Biafra land. Even before the unveiling, official launching of this Biafra Resistance Fighters, they have started work since 2 days ago. Do not think that this is a child play. You know, freedom fighting requires men with guts. And the Biafra Resistance Fighters will be and have been selected to be one of the powerful striking force of Biafra fighters. Biafra Resistance Fighters will be under the command of the Biafra Liberation Army. Their order will come from the Central Command of the Biafra Liberation Army. It is internal code. In the matter of weeks, you are going to be seeing fighters of Biafra Liberation with shirts and logos that will bear the Biafra Resistance Fighters. Respect them. If you see them in your vicinity, do not run away. They are not looking for you. Except you are one of those who kill by the pen. There are people who kill by the pen. Those who orders those in the military uniform and police uniform to come to Biafra land and lay siege to kill our young men and women. You will not even have the opportunity, you will never have the opportunity to escape them. The Biafra Liberation have entered the stage I was talking about a few days ago. Our aim and objective is to make sure nobody comes to Biafra land and kill like they do in other parts of Nigeria. We have taken the security of the life of our women and children into our own hand. We will give them protection they deserve. Those who cajole and blackmail the mechanism we are using are the agents of the government. Those who benefit from the government of Nigeria. Of course, they can never be happy with what we are doing. And we are not doing it for them. These are the enablers who has made name with Nigeria and they are fighting to maintain the status quo. We are not worried about them. There will be the least person or people that will ever support the liberation and the freedom of Biafra. Because they are product of criminality. Nigeria breed criminals. And those who benefit from the criminality of Nigeria, or those who become somebody through the criminality within Nigeria, can never give up. They enjoy their status in Nigeria. Nigeria made them. They believe that when Biafra come, there will not be criminality, and they are going to lose the status they are enjoying in Nigeria. That is the major problem. The sad truth is that you can never enter Biafra with criminality. So they may end up losing it. Today is the second day and tomorrow is the third day. We want to acknowledge those secretariats that did not open today. I will not call them by names, and I will not also call the names of those who opened. But remember that the secretariat in Biafra soil remain closed. When the Biafra forces that will be in charge of delegitimizing the Nigeria government from the secretariat visit your secretariat, don't blame anybody if you are there. The delegitimization of Nigeria continues. Stop hawking on checkpoint. Stop parading yourself in front of any military barrack within Biafra land. Our aim and target is to make sure that no Nigeria security terrorist forces will be in Biafra land at the end of the day. It does not matter how long it takes us. Believe me, we know what we are doing. It does not matter how long it takes. But you see all these terrorists that have been killing our people for the past 50 years. We are evicting them by fire by force. Gradually, you will see them no more. Tomorrow, the curfew starts and continue from 6 a.m. to 12 noon in the afternoon. After that, you can go to your market and do your businesses. To the schools that normally violate this particular principle and measures from the Biafra government, Nigeria will happen to you very soon. Because what Nigeria does is use and dump. You may think that your activities or actions is undermining Biafra liberation. It is not. But by the time Nigeria happened to you, don't shout Biafra. Don't shout Simon Ekpa. Because by then Simon Ekpa will not be there for you. Listen to instruction. Listen to directive. It is not much. People who are fighting to liberate themselves from slavery sacrifice everything. It is not the whole day sit at home. It is only from 6 a.m. to 12. Like I said, Nigeria will happen to you. Don't blame anybody. This evening, I want to, give a special thanks to Jehovah Witness. Jehovah Witness. The report coming to us has it that every Jehovah Witness worshiping center have always locked down whenever we make pronunciation, whenever we make pronouncement. So we want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to them. So if you are a member of Jehovah Witness in Biafra land, we appreciate you. Those who think they want to undermine the freedom of Biafra by following Nigeria government, when Nigeria will happen to you, you will bear the burden alone. Like I said a few days ago, from yesterday, the Biafra liberation will take a new dimension. I announced the activation of the monkey in the snake in the monkey shadow operation that will kick off by the Biafra Liberation Army to have started. The Biafra resistance fighters also have activated their own operation. Road block and checkpoint in Biafra remain banned. Moving with siren and disturbing the peace of Biafra people remain banned in Biafra land. If we hear siren, you will answer to Nigeria government.
Yeah, my wonderful people, you are highly welcome back. As you have watched that video and you have heard everything where be PM, will be Simon Ekpa Biafra government in I don't talk for this particular video. He talks so many things. So he said the Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra resistance fighters. He said no be small thing. He said right now don't mandate them to give am woto to them. As they hot to okay my people, you know say here as we dey do am, we go bring matter come show you, we go leave you may you talk, may you no be like say na we dey talk all the whole talk finish. The one wey we go talk finish, we go carry am dey talk, but this particular one I want may you raise your own support, may you talk, may you contribute, may you comment, tell us what you think. If you fully support what Simon Ekpa dey do, may you write support. And if you know say you get your own agreement where you get inside, may you just drop your comment below. We want to know your own agreement. No be smart, you know. This day didn't happen. Our work now to bring you ogbonge news back to back as they happen. Your own na to share the video, share the video, so that other people go get the information what would they pass for you for here. May you know. Okay, my people, may you stay tuned. A lot of story day to day to yeah, a lot. May you stay tuned as to the update and one after the other. But for you to get our update, you need to turn on your notification button, your notification bell. Sorry, in YouTube and also in Facebook. And also make sure say they follow our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, so that whenever we post, you will be the first person to get that. Okay, see you in the next update.